Alright guys, so Mika and I are here in the garden. So we're gonna get our carrots. We're gonna just harvest them.
Yeah, and get ready for the winter.
And then get the garden ready for the winter.
The tomatoes are squishy.
So, and then I will take them all down. And then that will be the end of the season. Because we are November now. It's getting colder and colder. Baba and Nora are over there playing with their friends on the trampoline. Nora is coming. So, Nora. All right. Let's go get the. Can you pick them? Put them on the pile here. No, don't throw it, Mika.
No, I just picked up 2 cents.
There's a chunk of carrot. Just put them. You wiggle them, shake it, and then all the dirt.
Look at this daddy carrot! Look at this daddy carrot! Look at this! I want that! I want that! I want that! They're so big! Ooh!
Till the next spring. Really nice. And Mommy is making a meal for Enzo. Yeah, that's a carrot from our garden. I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna enjoy it. This is Enzo's food from the carrots. Carrots, nice and yum. Carrot from the garden, yummy, yummy carrots. Yummy.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.